I used to spend hours digging through Alibaba, Google, Amazon reviews, TikTok trends, and spreadsheets just to answer one simple question. Is this product worth selling? But 2026 is going to be different. This is the workflow I'm using to spot winning products in minutes. And honestly, I'm never going back. Welcome to today's video. I'm Zeus or Daz, a work from home dad, entrepreneur, content creator, and digital marketer. 200 million plus views later, here's the biggest lesson I've learned. Product research will quietly eat up your time if you let it, especially when you're using outdated methods. So today, I'm giving you the exact system I'm using in 2026 to validate product ideas, check trend signals, research competitors, vet suppliers, compare factories, and send inquiries. I'm going to be showing you why I stopped doing this manually and moved my entire workflow into Accio, the AI-powered B2B sourcing agent backed by Alibaba's verified global supplier network. If you want a repeatable process you can reference whenever you're testing new ideas, this is it. Before I show you the new workflow, let me be honest with you. My old process was all over the place. I'd bounce between Alibaba, Google Trends, Amazon product pages, TikTok trends, Pinterest boards, supplier emails, factory comparison sheets, spreadsheets, WhatsApp threads, translation tools, and a million browser tabs. I swore I'd clean up later. It was slow, it was painful, and it did not fit my life as a dad trying to keep one eye on sourcing new products and the other eye on my kids grabbing things that they shouldn't be. So here's how I'm doing it now. My 2026 product research workflow using Accio. This is the part you might want to save. So step 1, you plug in your idea, but here's the key. The more detailed you are, the better the results will be. A single keyword isn't enough anymore. You have to think like the real product teams who develop the items you buy every day. Big brands don't guess, they brief. This is the part nobody tells you, but it's how the pros actually research new products. Think of your query like giving someone clear, detailed instructions about what you want, not just a vague idea. Accio thrives when you give it specifics, references, materials, features, and even the audience. You can type a detailed product description or upload a photo, and you can even upload a screenshot of a TikTok trend. Accio is built specifically for sourcing, so the moment you hit enter, it analyzes the idea the same way real product development teams do, breaking it down into a report with everything that actually matters. Step 2, Accio runs multi-step sourcing automatically. So Accio breaks your idea into market analysis, consumer insights, category trend data, competitor research, improvement opportunities, supplier matching, and strategy recommendations. This is the part that used to take me days, sometimes weeks of manual work. Now it takes seconds. It feels like having a consultant, sourcing agent, and an analyst wrapped into one user-friendly tool. Step 3, review the full sourcing report. Inside the report, you'll see demand stability, trend velocity, customer complaints, opportunity gaps, what features matter the most, how hard it is to manufacture, and a full breakdown of your competitors. This is where the most sellers guess. Now you don't have to. Step 4, supplier shortlisting. Accio pulls real verified manufacturers and shows you factory size, certifications, annual revenue, order volume, product categories, fulfillment capacity, and location. This alone saves me countless of hours. You're not messaging random suppliers anymore. You're talking to the ones that fit your specific criteria. Step 5, compare suppliers side by side. Accio Accio auto-generates a comparison table showing MOQ, price range, production capability, certifications, delivery times, and response rates. For me, this used to be 8 tabs and a color-coded spreadsheet. Now it's on one screen. Step 6, send inquiries directly inside Accio. No copying URLs, no email spam, no scattered WhatsApp threads. This is where you feel how much time you're actually getting back. Next, let me show you something even cooler. Their design development tool for people who don't know what to sell yet. Accio can actually help you design products, even if you don't know what to sell yet. Here's an example of a query or a prompt. Design 20 kitchen products inspired by the 2025 Amazon Prime Day boom. Products should suit modern US households with minimalist design, practical innovation, and eco-friendly materials. Each item must allow versatile customization for everyday use. Provide 20 product images, refer to TikTok and Amazon home trends. Identify unmet kitchen needs and suggest suppliers for mass production. Accio gave me fully rendered product concepts, trend-backed rationale, customer pain points, unmet needs, and verified suppliers who can manufacture each item. This is design, development, trend analysis, and sourcing all in one conversation. Now let me show you another powerful feature. You can upload any product image and Accio will instantly find similar products across multiple platforms such as Alibaba, 1688, AliExpress, and global sites, all in one report. This is incredibly useful for reverse sourcing trendy items, redesigning products, or comparing cross-market pricing. Now let's go back to a simple example. Let's say I'm interested in a trending ergonomic mini massager. Accio gives me a demand summary, trending keywords, competitor breakdown, customer pain points, design recommendations, verified manufacturers, and a supplier comparison table, all in one ask. This is why I'm using this workflow for 2026. If you want to find winning products in 2026, you need a smart, repeatable way to spot good products fast without burning hours doing everything manually. This workflow gave me my time back. And if you're building a business while balancing life, kids, and family, you understand how big that really is. So if you want to try Accio for yourself, they gave me a 50% off pro plan link for the month of December, the biggest discount I've ever gotten for this channel. Click the link below, plug in your next product idea, and watch how much easier your sourcing becomes. And if you want more videos just like this with actual strategies, tools, business ideas, and behind the scenes from a real work from home dad, make sure to follow me on Instagram. We're on a mission to hit 100K subscribers on YouTube, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. This is Zeus or Daz. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.